It's the first spring weekend, and many people are flocking to Friuli Venezia Giulia.
We're gonna spend our weekend here at the cold beach for the rest of the day, and then probably go get some dinner in town after. We're studying in Salzburg, Austria right now, but we live in Los Angeles, California.
We're just hanging out at the beach right now, but planning to go grab some dinner, sit on the boardwalk, watch the sunset, and have a nice time in Trieste. From Los Angeles, California.
Bay Area, California. So far, I'm just at the beach. I've done a little bit of sightseeing, and I plan on trying some really good food later.
Yeah.
I really want to try the seafood, actually. I feel like you guys being so close, it just makes sense to me.
Yeah.
From Germany.
Okay, and is it your first time here?
Yes.
What have you been doing?
I was at Miramar and the Castle San Giusto, and I did a day trip to Venice and just walking around. I was in a hostel, so I was with people my age, and we were just looking at the city.
Everyone is studying here, and we just finished an exam, a Spanish exam, so we're gonna celebrate tonight. We already started, of course, because it's a beautiful day and it's sunny and everything. We're all together, so we're probably gonna go out and have dinner together.
How are you guys going to spend this weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia?
Hopefully it's a nice day as today. Maybe some Istrium, some Fuji, a big long walk, talking and relaxing.
Spend your weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia.
My plan is to spend the weekend here in Trieste and go to the Viale in Fiori, and then after that plant all my plants that I just bought.